Are you looking for the best vinyl window replacement options in Salt Lake City? You're in the right place. Today, we'll explore the advantages of vinyl windows and how to get the best installers in the area. One common mistake is failing to thoroughly research installers. It's crucial to check reviews and ask for references before making any commitments. Avoid this by dedicating time to understanding your options. Another mistake is not having a clear budget. Knowing the average costs of vinyl windows helps you avoid overspending. Get multiple quotes to make informed decisions. Lastly, incorrect measurements can lead to costly mistakes. Ensure that you measure accurately or hire professionals who know what to do. And what makes Salt Lake City window replacements unique? The local climate affects window choice. Understanding energy efficiency is key for long-term savings. Personal stories from homeowners showcase the real benefits of switching to vinyl windows. Their experiences can guide you in decision-making. Let's start with a big one. How long does installation take? Typically, vinyl windows can be installed in a day, but complex projects might take longer based on the number of windows. Another popular question: are vinyl windows energy efficient? Well, absolutely. They help keep your home comfortable year-round and can reduce energy bills. Lastly, many ask about warranties. Now, most vinyl windows come with a robust warranty, covering defects and providing peace of mind for your investment. Call us now for a free quote for new windows at 385-300-0903 or visit our website for more details. Start upgrading your home with reliable, energy-efficient windows today.